Hello guys, today I will demonstrate the alert aspect of the UVO app provided in Kia Seltos. It is this UVO which makes Kia Seltos a connected car. Kia Motors India has provided this UVO feature in its top 4 variants only, that is in HTX, HTX Plus, GTX and GTX Plus variants only. Obviously, to use the app, first you have to download the app and install it from either App Store or Google Play, whatever the case is, and then ask your dealer to connect your car with the app. It's no big deal, you can do it yourself also, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the car is connected to the app, you are ready to use the app. Now, this UVO provides 37 smart features which can control the car and in many different ways. Out of that, I will discuss today only five of the features which fall under the alert category. So, let's get going. To activate these alerts, you have to first open the UVO app in your phone. In the home screen, you will see a map with a red position marker showing you the location where your car is parked at the moment. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines on the left top corner. A list of menu items opens. Choose the alert services. Now a submenu opens which allows you to set the particular alert or alerts you desire. Since the purpose of this video is to demonstrate the capabilities of the app, we will activate all the alerts. So first tap Valet. Now activate the alert by tapping the slider. The slider turns green. Here you first set the frequency at which you would like to receive the alerts. Setting this value too low will flood you with too many alert messages. So let us set it at 10 minutes. That is, every 10 minutes it will alert you if your valet has violated your set parameters. Now tap on More, which is just below the slider. The first box in the screen that opens allows you to set the driving boundary for the valet. When you tap the down arrow in this box, a list of distances appear on the screen starting from 100 meters to 5 kilometers. This is the radius of the circular zone with the current location as the center of the circle within which you would allow your valet to drive. The moment your valet takes the car out of this boundary limit, you will get an alert on your phone. Let us set it at 2 kilometers. In the next box below, you similarly choose the maximum speed at which your valet is allowed to drive. That is, he should not exceed this speed. Let us set this value to 40 kilometers per hour. Then the last box offers you a choice of setting an idling time for your car. Let us set it at 1 minute. This will alert you whenever your valet is relaxing at the in the AC comfort of your car while you are busy working. So to go back to the previous menu, tap the left arrow on the top left of the screen. Next is geofencing. Like in the previous case, choose frequency of alert. Activate it by tapping the slider which now turns green, then tap More. Now you see a map. Tap the plus sign at the bottom. When you tap the plus sign, you can now drag the map and choose the center of the circular region. Having chosen the center, tap OK. Now the app asks you whether the danger zone, or in other words, the zone which the car should not go to, is inside the circular region marked by you, or it is outside the region. Choose the first one, that is in, if you do not want your car to enter a particular region. Choose the lower one, that is out, if you want your car not to go out of a particular region. Then feed in the radius of the zone. You may assign a name to this zone restriction. Let us set the center at my present location, that is my home, and choose out and set the radius as 1 kilometer. Let's name this zone restriction as ABCD. That is, now I should receive an alert as soon as my car goes out of the marked zone of 1 kilometer radius from my home. Now we will learn how to set a time fencing alert. For that we come back to the previous menu by tapping the left arrow at the top left of the screen. Choose the time fencing option now. Proceed as in the earlier cases and tap More. Now tap the plus sign at the bottom. The app will ask you to choose whether you want the alert to be set for a particular day of the week or every day. Next, it asks you to set the start time and the end time. That is, you should receive an alert if your car has been driven at any time outside the time interval between the start and the end time. Let us set the start time as 2 a.m. and end time as 3 a.m. We now come back to the previous menu and set the idle time alert. Let us set it at 1 minute. By now we have set all the alerts. So tap the save button at the bottom of your screen. But before you save the app, make sure that all the sliders are green, that is, all alerts are active. Now take the car for a drive. While driving, make sure that you violate all the various limits that have been set in the app so that you receive appropriate alerts in your phone as and when you violate these set instructions. While you drive, you will get alerted as and when you violate these restrictions. At the end of the trip, you will find an alert notification in your phone. When you tap that, the UVO app opens. Tap the bell icon on the top right corner. Now tap Messages. You will see the complete list of alerts received in your phone for all the violations you made. If you found the video useful, then please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel.